Hi guys, this is Anne. In this video, I want to share with you market analysis on gold. Yesterday, I just got a second shot for my vaccination, so I'm not really feeling that great today. But I really want to share with you my trading plan for next week, especially on gold. We all know that there was a big movement last week on gold, and for this I see a very good opportunity for the next week we can focus on. Alright, let's just begin. For those who are very new to the order block trading strategy, you can go to my channel. You can visit this channel, StarseedFX, and you can play all this playlist. You can learn the order block trading strategy here. The whole tutorials will just take less than an hour and you will understand how the order blocks working. Alright, now let's continue reviewing gold. Here is the last breakout, and this is our swing high, this is our swing low, this is the break of structure, and our order block is the last bullish candle before the breakout happened. Even though you see that it is like price rejection, but now take a look again at this order block, the last bullish candle here. This is a sell order block over here. It is also a price rejection, so it is very good. I believe that the gold is actually gonna go lower. Let me tell you why. When we take a look at H4, it's still price rejection over here. But then we see on H1, this is a huge candle, even without wicks at the bottom. To me, this is power candle that telling us that the market is gonna go lower than this one because it's a huge one move and there is no wick at all. So the market can go lower than this one. It is not an absolute, it is just my opinion. The market can do anything. I think it's gonna go lower because when I take a look at H1, to me it's like a power candle, like super strong. Let's go to weekly because we do not see clearly here on daily where the market can go. Now when we go to weekly, look left. Where is the last order block that has not been picked up? This is the swing high, this is the swing low, and this is the break of structure over here, and the order block is the last bearish candle before the breakout happened. So the price can reach this area or it can go to this area. Why the market can go here? Because this is a very strong area, exactly the same like this one. Take a look how many times it's come back to the same level. So there are two possibilities. When the market going bearish, it can go reach here and reach here. My trading plan for the next week, I'm going to sell gold. But it's up to you. You do not have to follow me, alright? Because I just see a very good opportunity. You may ask me, when will you start selling? I will start selling only when the price come back to this order block. So you can set an alert here. Now let's go to H4. On H4, let's make this bigger. On H4, here is the last order block. This is break of structure on H4, and this is the swing high, swing low. So the order block is more or less the same. This is a very important area. So the moment the price come back here, I will start looking for sell opportunity. And then if you can hold that long, you can go to M5 or M15 or even M1 if your broker gives you a very low spread. And then you can target at least this one, the last low over here. I don't know, on M5 maybe it can give you 1 to 30, 1 to 50. We will just see. Basically, when you are at important area around here, you can get several or more entries around here once the price breaks below. So once the price go back to this area, and we will see our opportunities to sell. Now based on H4, there is this order block is around here, so you can also place an alert. We don't know, probably the price just reached the H4 or go to daily order block, or could go higher up to this level to come back down. Alright, so now if we see on H1, it's not really that clear to me, this one. Now if we go to H1, let's make this smaller. So this is the order block. If we use the same break of structure, let me just remove this one from H4 and let's make this different color from daily. Alright, so this is daily order block, and here we see several order block. When we look left, this is the possibility of an order block that has not been touched yet. Last week several people tried to enter from here. I thought also the market would start looking from here, but then when we take a look on daily and H4, there is the order block at the top. So yeah, here is the order block based on this structure, swing high, swing low, a big one. And then also here, based on the smallest one, I cannot really see it. Hold on. Let's just take this one. And here is another order block. All right. And then probably here is that. Let's just make that one over there just for H1. Okay. Now here's the thing, if you want to refine, like from D1, this is a good example if you want to refine an order block, okay? This could happen on gold. We know that this is the daily order block, right? Now let's go back to H1. What does the refinement look like? This one is the refinement. So as long as the candle is within the zone, you can make this become your order block. But I barely do refinement, you know, I do not place pending order on refinement. What I usually do, I just let my alert goes off and then look at the market situation, and then I usually just go to H1 or M5 or M15, and then I look left, something like this. There is an order block that has not been touched yet around here, and then also on H1 there are two order blocks that has not been touched here. So I may place two pending order around here. I don't mind because the target is like really low around this area, okay? So there you go. You know my trading plan that next week I will focus on gold and I will focus only for sell. So in the long term, how gold is gonna work, let me just remove all this on smaller time frame because I'm gonna show it to you the long term for gold. This is just my analysis. It may be wrong. So this is a daily order block. The market can go as low as here, but there is also possibilities the market to go lower. So your second target could be this one. Like I said previously, it could reach this one because this is a very strong area at the bottom here. All right. I think this area or this area could be the bouncing area, and then the market will go higher than this one. That is just my analysis. Let's just working in it now. That gold give us a very good clear pattern for sell, but you gotta wait, let the price come to you, all right, at least to H4. The moment the price comes to you on H4 and then it breaks below, because we are looking for sell, so we are looking at break below in whatever time frame you are in. Let's say you go to M15 for example. You see, as long as the price keeps breaking above, you do nothing. You will want to wait the price breaks below and then you look for your order block. All right, so there you go. You know my overview of gold based on the order block. That is my trading plan for next week for gold, and we can discuss it in the group. All right, that is all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.